GDScript under 2 minutes, let's go. To create a variable, type var, then the variable name and value. You can assign a type to the variable manually or let Godot assign it based on the original value you added. Oh, also you can create a variable without a value, just a type. Constant cannot be changed. More data type, we have a list which you can also assign a type to and a type for the items, and we also have a dictionary. Functions start with func and then their name. You can specify a return type for the function or not, and they can also take parameter. You can make choices with if statement or in some cases a match statement. Remember the list we created above, you can loop through it using a for loop. While loop is supported as well. You can extend a node to access its property. You also can create your own class to create a reusable object. We're less than a minute in, we can do this. Now for the game main functions. Ready runs when the node enters the scene. Process function runs every frame. Physics process used for physics-related movement, and it runs in a set number of frames, usually 60 frames. You can change that in the setting, by the way. Input detects player input. Signals let different nodes talk to each other. You can access any node in your scene by typing a $sign followed by their path. You can preload and create an object during gameplay by using instantiate and then adding it as a child, or pre-call the object up at the top of your code by using @ready. While we're there, @export allows you to see the variables in your editor. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.